Come and see African wonder. 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 See, this is onion. Yoruba call it alubosa. Yes, alubosa. The one you can use to cook your food. You want to do your jollof rice. You want to do any other food you want to cook. You normally use onion. Yes, you want to do pepper soup. Sometimes you use this onion. But it has medicinal value. I want to tell you it has medicinal value. Get seated, then you hear me and you know that this our God is Almighty God that created us, and before He created us, He has created what will be useful for us in our lifetime. In my last episode, I talk about these leaves. This is Ewé Akòko. Yoruba call it Ewé Akòko. In some other places, they call it other names. So, whenever they want to do chieftaincy titles, they used to hang it. They will hang it. The hanging is the cap of the person that is being crowned for chieftaincy title. But when there is epidemic disease in the town, our people, they used to hang it at the doorstep. This one is Tagiri. I mentioned it the other time. You can put it in the house during the epidemic disease. I will not talk more than that. So you hang this one, then you put this one in your house. Then you maintain sanitation. Don't forget, I'm Sesade Usitantolon Baba Oloyin Virginia. I'm living at Iyesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. You can get my books only as a medicine. This is my latest book, only as a medicine. This is Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ fún Ìṣòro Ẹ̀dá, Solution to Woman Problems. This one is yet to be on PDF. We have not put it on PDF. But all these ones, this one started with Yoruba version, Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin. It was written in Yoruba and English language. When you open it, you will first see Yoruba version. When you scroll forward, you will see the English version. We can send it to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. When you want to buy, you ask for account number. I give you, you pay, then we send the book to you without delay. Yes. Don't forget my telephone number 0054749455. This again 0054749455. But if you want to call me from other country, you are not in Nigeria, you want to call me or you want to WhatsApp me, don't forget to put +234. Then you will add 80. Instead of writing 0 to start it, you will not write 0 again. You will just press +234 8054749455. Yes, 0054749455. I repeat again. Now coming back to this one. Do you know that with this, you can forget your pair of glasses? Yes. If you see some small boys, they are putting on glasses. I wonder. See, a boy of 5 years, 8 years, they will be putting eye glasses. We hear of people of 60, 70 that can be using glasses to read Bible, to read the Quran, or to read the letters. But what of when you see small boys or small girls of 5 years, they will be putting glasses? Maybe they inherited that eye disease from their parents. I don't know. But I just want to tell you today that you can use onion. This is white onion. Don't call me to say if you use brown or red onion, can it work? No. Do according to I teach you. Yes, see, this is white onion. You will get 3 bulbs. Yes, get 3 bulbs of this type of white onion. You can use grinder. You can use grinder to grind them together. When you grind, you get honey, original honey. Make sure it is original undiluted honey. You can buy your honey anywhere, but just make sure that it is not an adulterated honey. When you grind this onion together, 3 bulbs, don't forget, you can grind 3 bulbs. You grind them with stone. If you don't get stone, you are fond of using grinder. You can grind them, use your grinder, you grind the leaves, onion. When you grind it finish, you grind the 3 together, you add a bottle of honey to it. Then you will be taking 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons in the morning and before you sleep in the night. 2 in the morning. You can take it before food. You can take it after food. But just make sure it is early in the morning you take it. Then the night before you go to bed, please take 2 spoons. After 1 week, you can call me. Send your comments to me. Yes. Anytime I teach you, just know that it's authentic. To some people, I may look new. I'm not new in this business. Those in Nigeria who are readers of this City People magazine, every Tuesday, they will remember that I used to advertise there. When I published my 50 ways of using honey, City People magazine, I used to advertise there every Tuesday. Guardian newspaper, every Tuesday I used to advertise there. 50 ways of using honey as a medicine. That time I used to advertise in that paper. Nigerian Tribune, every Saturday, there was a time I used to advertise there. Yes. Punch, every Saturday. Yes. People in Lagos can pay every Saturday. Yes, one man used to advertise in Punch newspaper every Saturday. 50 ways of using. Sometimes I say honey can cure your sickness. I used to advertise there. I have sponsor program with Radio Lagos and Bond FM. And yes, I used Radio Lagos more than 8 years. That I used to advertise honey and books on honey there. And there was a time I used to go to Tradomedical, this exhibition that they organized at Radio Lagos and Bond FM that time. Yes. I used to advertise Yoruba newspaper, Aláròyé, Ìyá Oòduà, Akéde Àgbáyé, all those Yoruba newspapers. I used to advertise in those papers. To some people, they think I'm new. I'm not new in this business. If I teach you anything, it's authentic. Let me tell you. All this one I'm teaching you now is in my book. It is in my book. Only as a medicine. If you buy this book, you will see it there. Yes, it is there. Yes, it is in this book. But for some people who don't have money or who are yet to see money to buy the book, I'm teaching you, you try it. Then when I teach some people like this, when you see it, it works for you. Some people, all the posts are posted before. When they tried it, later, they call me that all these things I taught them free of charge, they try it and they work for them. Then they came later, some sent money to me so that they bought the books. Yes. So, and I use this medium to thank those of you that you are subscribing to this channel, Apollo Original Television. Always subscribe, please. And those of you that you are sharing on WhatsApp to other people, God bless you. There are some people, when I tell them the price of this book, they pay me more than the money I requested for. God will fully bless and enrich your purse. Some people, when they say, Baboloyi, how much is your book? Whenever I tell them, they paid more than the amount I requested for. Yes. There are some people, they even sent money to me. They didn't buy anything. They sent money to me. God will bless and enrich your purse. Don't forget, I'm at Baboloyi bus stop. Baboloyi bus stop, Yesota. I have a branch at Mushin. Number 4, Alukolaro Street. Mushin. If you go to Oshodi, you can see our products there. Number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way, behind YTK petrol station. We have a branch at Bariga. We have branch at Surulere. We have branch at Ikotu. If you call me after this program, send your message on WhatsApp. When you send your message, I will reply you. Yes, I will reply you. I will reply you. Send your message on WhatsApp. If you call and the number was happen to switch off, if the number is switch off, then you send your message. I will reply you. So don't forget again, you want to buy honey, you have honey, you have books on honey. We have books, we have different books on honey. Only some are not yet on PDF, but the ones that are on PDF, they are the one I am telling you about now. That healing power of honey. This is healing power of honey. It started with Yoruba Fasan Agbara Iwosan. It's on PDF. You can send it to your phone, send it to your WhatsApp or email. You can send it to your Gmail. This one is also on PDF now. You can send it to you on your WhatsApp, Gmail, or email. Only this one is yet to be on PDF. When it is available on PDF, I will let you know. And another book is coming very soon. Those of you that bought the books, I thank you again. Some people bought Healing Power of Honey. When they try it, they saw that the thing they put inside work effectively. They happen to apply for the other book, Healing Power of Honey. Some are asking for an abayo. It's not yet on PDF. When it is on PDF, I will let everybody know. And the new book is coming the way. That one, it will be online only. Yes, you can say that one is coming soon. Yes, that is coming soon. You see, the book will be released before the year runs out, by God's grace. My name again is Sadusi Tantolon Apolloyin Original. Okay, don't forget. Then I want to tell you that another sister channel is coming on the way. You will enjoy us there.